We'll finish this video. So check out all this stuff, right? All of this stuff I got thrown everywhere. I got all my tools thrown everywhere. And as you can see, I still got my one mirror on there. In this thing. Bro, I totally look, listen, I messed up. And this video you about to watch is me basically messing up. Okay, when you do your aftermarket bar end mirrors and they hang down from here, make sure you put the adapter on correctly, because if you don't, or you go too far, I went too far in there and I ended up scrapping this little thing up, so I messed this up. I put a new bolt in there, got a whole new bolt to put in there, but the adapter is messed up. So this video you about to watch, bro, I did not do the right thing. Only reason I'm posting this is to show that, bro, I just didn't do right. So as always, it's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West. Enjoy this video. This is the beginning and the end to this video. I actually started off excited to do the bar end mirrors because I was ready to get that off. So, yep. Shout out Icon because I love y'all. Y'all my favorite. Icon is the best. Yay. See. Get out of here. What is up, my beautiful people? It's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West in the building. And today, I got a package. I got that package. Oh, hey, I got that package. Hey, package. Break it down. Hey, package. Hey, yeah, I said the package. I said the. Okay, all right, hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. Shout out to my home slice, Angel Love. Yo, let me show you the bike real quick before I start this package. Show y'all what's in the package. Yeah. Okay, so what's in this package? Hit it like that. Like that. This is make black. Whoa. Make black. Let's see what this is. Ooh, it came in a made black box. It came in a made black box. Woo, made black. Alright, it's my handlebars. My mirrors for my handlebars. My handlebar mirrors. Yeah. Bar end mirrors. Yeah. This them. Yeah. Get fired. Yeah. So I gotta get this off, and I have to take off the bar ends, and then I have to put these bad boys on here. So with that being said, I'm going to put a chest mount on, show you exactly how to take this off, and yeah. Okay. Let's get it. Okay. Alright, I got to sit up. I was gonna do a chest mount, but then I changed my mind. This is a better route, or a better option. Alright, so if you're wondering what your bar end is, if you got an fz09, see this right here? It's like a T50. Boom. Put it in there. Of course, I already had started it up. You know what I mean? Cause you know that's just how YouTube goes. All right. Just keep. You just gotta keep going. Keep going. Ow! Oh my God, that was my foot. Barring. That's basically it's here to save this part of your bike. So if it ever goes down, you don't have to worry about this. All right. Next step.